Hey everybody, this is Joe Pace with Icewater Yoga, and today we're going to go over very quickly how to breathe during a yoga class. And so anytime you're ever in a physical yoga class where you're using your body, this is the breathing technique to do, and it's actually really simple. It's called Ujjayi breathing, also known as victorious breath. And all it is a slight constriction at the back of the throat that allows you to regulate the length and depth of your inhales and exhales. So it's similar to when you whisper or when you fog up a mirror in front of you. It makes the breath warm on the entrance and warm on the exits. It also has a really heating quality to it. When you inhale warmer air, it tends to warm the body up a little bit quicker. And it also keeps you focused on your practice. So when you're doing the Ujjayi breath, when you're doing victorious breath, you have to be focused on it. And that's really the main component of it. It keeps you focused in the moment while you're doing everything you're doing. And it also tells you, hey, if I can't control my Ujjayi breath, then I'm probably going a little too hard. It's not about pushing yourself beyond a limit that you can control. And the breath is there to tell you if you are in control or not. So we're going to do a very brief tutorial on how to do this breath. So you can do this by yourself. Take a moment, find a comfortable seat, and just slowly breathe in and out your nose, just like normal. Start breathing in and out the nose. Start to feel comfortable with that rhythm. Take just a few breaths. We're going to move through this relatively quickly. And then take a deep inhale. And on your exhale, exhale out of your mouth as if you were fogging up a mirror in front of you, like this. Inhale through the nose. Do it again. Inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Inhale. On this next one, we're going to halfway exhale through the mouth and then close the mouth, finishing the exhale through the nose, like this. So inhale. Exhale halfway. Then close the mouth. Inhale normally through the nose. Out the mouth halfway, and through the nose. You'll notice the breath becomes audible. You can hear it happening. And so the exhale is usually the way we start to learn the one direction of it, but we also have to learn how to inhale the same way. So try inhaling normally, exhaling through the nose with Ujjayi in the back of the throat. And on your following inhale, see if you can keep that constriction at the base of the throat and make your breath audible on the way in. It should sound something like this. So we'll start with a normal inhale. Ujjayi exhale out the nose. Ujjayi inhale through the nose. Exhale Ujjayi. Inhale Ujjayi. Okay, and you can keep that rhythm even as I talk right now. What I want you to understand is this breath is incredibly powerful, not only because it keeps us focused in the practice, but it's really simple. And so even though it's simple, that doesn't mean it's easy. And what we want to make sure we're doing is this becomes almost like part of our subconscious. We're never doing anything with our body on the yoga mat without this breathing technique. That's a very brief tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave any of them in the comment section below. I appreciate all of your time and your energy, and I look forward to hearing about your success or failure with this breath. Thank you.